Hello. Basically, when I was coming here today, I realised that I never actually told you anything mainly about this Lexus, or even about me. So I feel like today that would be a good day to just show you what car this is, what it's got on, and basically who I am. So yeah. So to get started, this is a Lexus IS200. It's basically just a copycat version of the Toyota Altezza. You will see some similarities about the Toyota Altezza to the Lexus IS200. There is a lot. Basically, it's the same car. Lexus is just an off-brand of Toyota, luxury exports to the United States pretty much. So this is a Toyota Altezza. Basically, it's the same car, just different stuff on it. The main differences are to include, it's got a sunroof, it's got heated seats, it's got electric seat, it's got electric folding mirrors. There's some differences. They're noticeable, but they're not a lot. Basically, the main difference is it's got an L instead of a Toyota bar. What engine has it got? It has got the Lexus 1G FE engine. It's a 2-litre inline 6, as per usual, best engines one ever made. 1Gs are absolutely amazing, basically the brother of the 1G. Not really, don't quote us on that. So yeah, it's got a welded diff on this car as well. It's got a straight through exhaust. So yeah, it's a very good engine. Let's talk suspension wise, because this is where I get a bit finicky. So it's got BC Racing coilovers. Best ever bit ever. It's got BC Racing coilovers. Probably one of the best coilovers on the market that you probably could get anywhere in the world. It does have DriftWorks rear camber arms. That's another finicky one, because you got the camber arms. You need the toe arms as well. Doesn't have any toe arms, unfortunately. So the front one, obviously BC Racing front and back. It's got camber arms on the front. It's got toe adjusters on the front. It's also got a lock kit, which means the wheels literally do that instead of that. It does that, which is absolutely amazing. Fucking amazing. Can round a bend, 90-degree angle, probably. I don't know. Never drifted the car. Other than that one time, which I might show here. So yeah, on the front wheels, we running Workmeister S2Rs, S1Rs, S2Rs, possibly one of the two. And then on the rear, at the moment, all I've got on now is just the normal Lexus IS200 wheels. Probably about 26-year-old, still doing amazing. Powder coated in a lovely racing bronze. That was absolutely amazing, done by me, because I'm an absolute legend. What else? We do have an NGR steering wheel. That costs about $300. I didn't buy that. Everything that's on this car was on this car when I first bought it. That is amazing because I don't have to spend any money on the suspension, other than the rear toe adjusters. So anyways, it is a lot of work on this car that needs to be done. Like, we've got the sills, we've got the rear arch, we've got the front cross member, we've got quite a lot of welding to do. There's another thing is, we've got the body to do. The whole body, the whole car, we need to do the paint. We need to finish it quickly, because I'm sick of it. Before we can do the paint, we need the welding done. So yeah, I bought this car off them for a whopping £1,500. Best financial thing I've ever done. Or was it? Probably, I don't know. Don't ask me, I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, this is how I ended up with this car. Came all the way back down from Kielder, brought it all the way back down to where I live, and as you may have seen, I've been building it in a container. So yeah, that's basically where the story is so far. So yeah, I just thought I might upload this video as like a little short one, just to tell you all about this car. So yeah, that's just a little teaser episode for you. We'll probably do another episode this weekend as well, just more about working on this car. What we're probably going to do next is we're going to fix that roof, sand it all back down, get that old filler out, put the new filler in, get it lovely and smooth, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, thank you all very so much for watching this tiny little episode. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, this is my Lexus IS200. I love it to pieces, even though I have never driven it on the road except for one legal time. Legal. It was legal, not illegal. It was legal. So yeah, in the next episode we're going to be doing more on it. So thank you all very so much for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Also, HKS body kit, absolutely amazing. It's about like 400 quid. Fiberglass in it. So yeah. Oh, another thing, massive exhaust on this, as you may have seen. I'm not showing you. So anyways, subscribe please, watch my next episode, or my latest one, somewhere. Subscribe here, episode here. Thank you all very so much, Ron. I will see you in the next one.